Hello guys, welcome back. This is of the DS Spice. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for subscribing and let's begin. Generally in these videos I talk about the manifestation techniques that I use using the law of attraction. Now today I'm going to talk about a technique in which you make use of assert as well as gratitude. Now, gratitude is something that I keep speaking of right from my first video that I keep telling. Now, it has a purpose because it takes you to the higher frequencies. And when you are at the highest frequencies, like gratitude is one of the best ways. And when you are at the highest frequencies, you begin to attract the things that you want to manifest. So let's begin. I'll just give you some kind of a background so that we can get into the steps towards what I'm going to talk to you. That can be explained in two steps actually. Yeah. This thing about gratitude that I keep saying is that you should generally feel gratitude, and it shouldn't just come because it shouldn't come from a scarcity mindset like it could be even for the smallest things that keep happening to you, like someone offered you a cup of coffee, someone offered to take your dog for a walk, or someone just said, okay, I will take your car to get you to the laundry wash, whatever it is, in the smallest things. If you genuinely say, express thanks, if you are comfortable saying thanks about it, it takes you to the higher frequency. Okay. Now, if you are comfortable doing that, you do it. Otherwise, you can just say it in your mind, maybe. Okay. Or you have that feeling when suddenly you get something out of the blue, like that kind of feeling that you get. You remember that because that feeling is what you are going to use in this particular technique. Okay. It's something like you assert, and you assert with a lot of gratitude. So if you're always coming from a sphere of gratitude and a sphere of abundance, you're going to attract a lot of things, because a lot of things that you want to attract is always coming from a sphere of higher frequencies. Okay. So coming to this step, as I mentioned, just remember to practice gratitude, and for anything and everything that happens to you, if you are generally expressing it. I mean, don't. It's up to you. Don't force anything, but if it's better to express gratefully for whatever things that are happening to you. It's good to let it go, and you feel that kind of higher vibration whenever you do that. So now let's coming back to this technique. It's very simple actually, this technique. So as I have mentioned, this is like kind of assertions that you do. And gratitude. Okay. So whatever you want to manifest, like for illustration's sake, like say your manifestation is something like you have got into a contest and you want to win it. Okay. So if that is your manifestation, I'm just stating an example. Your manifestation needn't be as simple as that, or it can be anything anything big that you want. So you genuinely feel that particular thing has actually happened in your life. Okay. You should I'm saying that feeling should be genuine, because see, told you many things as a background, right? When you say thank you, or when you genuinely get what you want, that kind of feeling that you get, remember that. Okay. That feeling, you attach it to this thing that you're going to manifest. Okay. That feeling is real, isn't it? So when you have got something, or when you genuinely feel for something, that feeling is real than when you compare it to like just saying thank you by your lips or something like that, isn't it? So remember that feeling. Okay. And then you get that feeling here now. Okay. Like you are manifesting that big thing, right? You get that, you feel, generally feel that that thing has happened and it is in front of you, and you are seeing it, and you are so, like, whatever you do when you get that thing, right? So whatever feelings you get, bring it forward. Okay, bring it forward, make it as genuine as possible. It should be very genuine. Okay, and then you say this thing. Okay, of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. Okay, when I say of course it is mine, you are asserting it. It's some kind of assertion that you're doing. Of course that thing is mine, of course that trophy is mine, and I'm so full of gratitude. You're saying it with the gratitude mindset, because you do not have that that thing, that ego, everything is gone. You're only filled with gratitude now. Okay, of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. Of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. Like when you're seeing that manifestation in front of you, and it has happened for real, you just keep saying this. Okay, so that thing, what has happened, that manifestation, you got to bring in those feelings, that manifestation feelings, those thoughts, and those things, you should do. That is step one. Getting that manifestation in front of you, that is step one. And you should feel that it is genuine, and you should feel that it's just there in front of you. So when that thing, that manifestation is in front of you and your feelings are real, remember that feeling. When I was talking to you about gratitude, right? Remember that feeling and bring that feeling here, and keep saying, of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. Okay, so those are the magic words. So you can keep saying this particular statement, of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. You can keep saying this as long as you're comfortable. Like you got some time in between your schedule, and you're practicing this manifestation technique. You say it like 5-6 times, or maybe 20 times, anything. As long as you are comfortable and you don't get bored by this technique, you keep doing it. Or maybe, like, if you feel like, okay, I would like to do it once in the morning and once before I sleep, you can do that. Bring your manifestation in front of you as if it is genuinely happened, and bring that feeling attached to it. Remember that feeling that you genuinely got when you got something, right? You remember that feeling and attach it to this. Okay, and keep saying this, of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. Okay, so keep doing that multiple times, but don't force yourself. It should come, like, okay, you should be enthusiastic about it, and it should feel like fun. Okay, whenever you do this manifestation exercise, it should feel like fun. So if you feel like it's dragging, boring, don't do it. Okay, so this is the technique where you are making use of assertion as well as gratitude. Remember to practice gratitude. I mean, that is something that takes you to the higher vibration level. And practice this technique. The magic words are, of course it is mine, I'm so full of gratitude. Okay guys, thank you very much for listening to my videos, and thank you for subscribing. And if you want me to put up these kind of videos, do subscribe, and thank you very much. Enjoy.